Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X2, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so home screen is already open and visible on my screen. Just make sure that what you want to capture is visible on the display. Once it is, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the subtle flash along with the pop-up with scroll and share options visible right here on the side, and after a moment this will disappear. Once it disappears, you can find the captured screenshot in your Photos application, and it's going to show up under Today if it was just captured, but if you're trying to find your screenshots later on down the line, it might be more simple to go into the Albums, Screenshots, and here you have Screenshots and also Screen Recordings, which obviously makes it much more organized and easy to find. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.